My brakes have been grinding really bad lately because of this pad. This is the old one, this is the new one. And that's been taking a toll on the rotor. This is what a new one looks like. It's losing a lot of thickness. The reason for it is this rubber boot on the caliper. Most people would be under the impression that you'd have to buy a whole new caliper and everything, and that means bleeding your brakes and spending a bunch of money or being without your vehicle or whatever. Just a big pain in the ass if you ask me. So I would just pinch this off after I step on the brakes a few times and get that out. Clean this up, throw that new rubber seal in there, shove the piston back in, shove the pads on, lock her down, good to go.